So today we're going to talk about the 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step 1 is a comprehensive air conditioning test and analysis. So we're going to be running your air conditioner from the thermostat from anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes to get the full cooling cycle running and checking the full operation of how everything is supposed to be working. We're going to divide all those checks into the 27 following steps. However, the first part is making sure that everything's running and running properly. The reason why we go through all this inspection is because we want to make sure that this air conditioner is going to run through the entire cooling season with no hiccups or breakdowns. This is why it's important to have your tune-up done and then continual annual maintenance on the unit. It is required by the manufacturer to have your equipment maintained at least once a year and recommended by your local utility company. See you on the next video.